see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Good morning, guys. My mom's stressed because it's her first time doing the canteen, and then after my netball game she has to do my makeup in 30 minutes. So she's
and hair?
Yeah, and hair, and she's being so stressed.
And then we have to drive 30 minutes.
Yeah, she's stressed, and then she thinks I forget something and we can't go back to the house. Because this is actually our first time going to play my game and only getting 30 minutes to get ready. But I'm wearing my MJ top and my shorts first because I think it starts at 1:30, my actual concert. I got to be at the dance studio at 11:30. So yeah, that's why.
And this is my first time doing the canteen, Baba. I don't know what I'm gonna do there.
Mom, all you're gonna do is you're probably gonna
In the kitchen or in the...
I don't know if you're in the kitchen, but when you just sell the lollies, it's the easiest.
Yeah, I hope so. That's the one I'm gonna do. Because I don't wanna
You're doing it
miss
with Bonnie. You're doing it with Bonnie anyway. You're fine.
Brody is looking for someone to do it for her.
Oh.
And then me, I was looking as well, but we couldn't find anyone who can exchange our schedule because this is very hectic for us.
So Maya and Danielle are also going to be there as well. So we might be late to the dance studio, but that's okay because we're not late to the concert. My mum also doesn't know what time I finish my practice.
No, I know.
You do?
Yeah,
What time?
1:30.
1:30.
And then 2 o'clock is your display concert.
2 o'clock.
So we have to drive from the studio to the theater.
Theatre, that's just near Coles, so we can park at Coles. Or inside.
No, we're just gonna park at Coles.
Guys, I didn't put anything in my hair because when I put gel, I take my hair out, it's all white, so I just put water in there so my mum can do my hair later after my netball. Mom, it's gonna be okay.
Oh, for you, you think it's okay? I'm gonna do everything, Baba. You're just gonna sit
Yeah,
there
my
and
mom's
be
very busy.
And I couldn't sleep last night, and then I slept like late, and then I got up very nervous.
Guys, here's my bag as well. I got all the makeup and stuff. Brushes and everything, and my costume, but I'm missing one. I'm not missing one costume. I'm getting it today.
They're gonna hand it into you today.
Yeah, it doesn't even feel like I'm going to a concert because it's like at 11:30.
And we have to bring 2 cars.
Yeah, we have to bring 2 cars because if we just bring this car to the mount, my dad and
stuck.
we'll be
The
stuck
boys will
here
be stuck,
forever.
yeah. And yeah, nauna na si John. Daddy left early.
Yeah, because they had to let the horses out and then they just got straight there.
Yeah, and then Daddy will pay my entrance fee.
Yep,
We're just
already
gonna-
done.
Yeah, already done. So we're just gonna go there and do
My
our job.
dance bag.
Do our job.
I got my snacks and everything like that, so that's all good. I don't know if that'll be enough.
Ang aga
It
namin,
should be.
yeah, Daddy get up us early.
Because he had to feed the horses.
Yeah, and
He normally wakes up at like 5:40.
5:40.
Unless he's like very, very tired and he just
Get up.
didn't put an alarm on, he wakes up at 7 o'clock.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna park outside, Baba, so it's easy for us to get out later.
You have to park inside
And I'm-
because Dad already paid.
Yeah. We just walk there, Baba. I'm just gonna park here because I don't know where to park inside. So I'm just gonna park somewhere here. Here na lang. This is what we did last time. But I parked the other way. Should I park it here? No.
No, because
The
you
ball.
Because
the ball will hit us. I just park this side na lang.
we need to park inside.
No, not inside, Papa.
Because then Dad paid for nothing.
No. We're still gonna walk.
Oh, true.
Yeah. So this is where I parked before. What's that?
Just
So park here. So we can just go here. Iba? Okay, let's
Iba.
go.
I look very
Okay,
pale.
guys, see you
Do I look
later.
pale?
Huh?
Do I look pale?
No, you're right. Okay, let's go. See you guys.
Guys, we won, and my mom survived the canteen. We're just driving to the mount, and then we're gonna, I'm gonna get ready for my rehearsal. And my mom got me chips, and I am hungry. I'm assuming this is for my mom.
What's that?
This.
Hot dog?
Yeah.
It's yours if you want. Like, I got it for you.
Oh, thank you. I got chips with gravy. Yeah. Cool. Okay.
So you play second quarter?
Second
Half
and
time?
yeah, second and third. Oh, that's hot. How was the canteen?
Busy? Yeah, I did the bread and butter and put chicken, lettuce and everything. And then wash the dishes and all the cooking pots. And put all in the fridge, all the water left over. And we did a lot of bread, like butter the bread, put some ham and cheese, chicken, and repeat, wash the dishes, then serve the canteen.
Brownie then?
Yes, Brownie was doing the pies and pasty. And yeah. Then Kylie came after me because there will be the next to serve or cook there. And then yeah. And then you asked me to get you that. And I did. I went to Daddy though to get money because I don't have cash. They only have cash or pay in the pudding club if you have card. Just get cash. How's the chips? Good?
Yeah. We'll see you at the mount, guys.
Also, oh my god, it's 11 o'clock, so you have to be there at
12:30.
12:30.
Instead of I said 11:30, but I was
Yeah,
wrong.
12:30, and then I hope we still have time to do everything, your hair and makeup.
Yeah.
Let's go. And you have to finish that one, okay? So
I don't know if I have to wear my costume, my Mary Poppins, or not.
We'll see.
I'll just wear my MJ top.
I don't know. Yeah, I think PJ's first. I'm not sure. So just wear your black.
Well, I don't have the pages yet.
You should have brought your what you call that? Do you want to go back home to get
Nah.
the robe so it's not gonna mess your hair, right? Because we're gonna pass our house.
Nah. Right, see you when we get to the mount.
Right,
Hello. Hold on, I
dito
need
na
to-
kami and si Holly. Nagpalit lang siya ng MJ top. You only have 45 minutes.
What?
Yeah. Gawin ko muna yung buhok niya.
My hair. That's cold.
So, ito yung kinuha natin kahapon. I like this one, the cream. Ang ganda niya. Kasi iti-twist mo lang siya ganyan. Then,
Just gotta look perfect because last year she said, "Oh, your hair's a bit frizzy, but whatever."
really?
Yep.
I don't know if freeze
When
it
we were
was.
in Adelaide,
I don't think so. It was.
like my bun.
Oh my god. Well, because you had to do multiple
Costumes,
dance, and then we only have like
and we didn't.
10 minutes or whatever, like, you know.
And guys, we didn't have this because we got
Yeah.
it this Like last year?
This year.
Or this year?
Okay, Baba, I want you here. Here. Because I cannot see. But this is the struggle. Well, it's not struggle. It's just need to work it out. Okay, where's the middle part brush?
What's in here?
Why it's in there?
Doesn't fit.
More gel or cream. Ginamit ko din to today.
Guys, it doesn't even feel like it's a concert.
Wow. 2 o'clock pa yung ano nila. 2 o'clock yung concert or display. Ang tawag display day. Kasi next week is the comp.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Millicent?
Yeah, next week.
I forgot.
Oh, what do you see? I need a spray, Baba. And then another gel. The pink one. And this one is pump.
This one's my favorite.
Okay.
We have to do like 20 minutes on this and 30 minutes on our makeup.
It's alright. So it's middle part and then
Slick back, guys. I'm so good at slick back, but my mum's doing it because it's a competition next week. Concert.
display day. They call it display day. Like you're gonna perform all what you learned before the concert in the big theater. I really love this brush.
Yeah, guys, we got it from a wig.
Yeah, from kasama to dun sa wig na binili natin.
And guys, we can fix it because we finish at 1:30 and then 30.
You have to be in the theater before 2, so
So
not really.
3:50
So I think you're gonna dress there.
or 1:50.
Let's take one. Can you use this one so I can see the front, please? Yeah. Sorry, Baba. Can you wipe it? Ready? Is it alright?
A little bit more slick. How about you tie it so that
Not
you
yet,
can
not
go like
yet.
that?
Because I just wanna brush it because I don't wanna see any gap.
Make sure it's not too high.
Yeah, I know it's not too high. It's just like this. Not too low, not too high.
Middle.
Yeah, just middle. Okay. Is it look alright front? Yes. And ito, ang ganda rin ito. Ito. Sa Yamba ko ito nabili last year. Okay? Okay, where's your...
My hair tie, you had it.
Here? So, wala rin na. Here. Okay. Don't move. Spray net, Baba, please. Wait. Look up. Look up, Baba. Wait, Baba. Okay, just stay there.
Make sure there's nothing sticking up.
Hmm?
Make sure there's nothing sticking
I
up.
know. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, other one. Just gonna put the hairpin here. Look up, please. Not too much, okay. Are you happy with this?
No frizz.
Mm-mm.
Some. You know Maria gets mad for just one thing.
Yeah, perfectionist yung teacher nito. Ayaw niya yung Where's the little brush, Baba? Kasama to dito sa pump na binili natin kagabi. So, meron siyang maliit na brush and comb and then brush.
It came with this.
Yeah. Yun yung duo.
Then guys, after we do all of that,
Yeah, I'll put that. Oh, I will put that later. I will put that there. Back.
is this what we're using for my eyeshadow?
Yes, the gold one.
You're missing something.
What?
Eyelash curler.
No, it's alright. You don't want it anyway. Because you cry.
Don't need to mention.
Huh?
Don't need to mention that.
That's right. Ko na lang kung matanggal pa. Tingnan na lang natin kung magliparan pa ang mga buhok mo. Okay, last one. Look up.
At the back.
Yeah, it's all good. All good.
Put a little bit of hairspray.
I will. Brush this. I'm just gonna put bobby pins.
Yep.
Okay, all good now.
Hair. Done the hair. Next step, makeup. What are we doing first? Guys, lipsticks always last.
Okay, this is done. We have to put this back, so
What are we doing first? The foundation. Primer.
yeah.
Primer. And then
Where's
at
the lid for this one? Where's the lid? Is it there? Oh. It's alright, I'll find it later.
Wait, have you brushed this yet?
Not later na, Baba. Do your makeup. It's everything good as long as I think that.
Oh, is that high? No,
No, it's not high.
kinda.
Is it? No. Let me see. That's alright.
Kinda high.
Think so? High is in here.
No, high is here.
Oh, no, it's alright. Oh my god. Okay, where's the primer?
It's supposed to be here.
It's alright, Baba. My god. No, it's alright. It's not high. High ba? Hindi naman
It's
high.
high.
Baba, don't say that. It's not. That's all.
If somebody says it's high, we're changing it.
That's it. She's just gonna put spray net if there's any hair come up. That's what she said to me. So don't stress. Where's the brush? Primer. Absi dito. See? Blended. Okay. And it's alright. So Tibiant. Almond yung shade niya. Concealer lang to. Okay. Come here. Come on, look here. See that before? Look at that. See? Because you need to be like very tan. See?
I am already 10.
I know. Oh my God. Buti na lang talaga hindi tayo magtatan at saka mag-false eyelashes kasi.
Guys, I'm all good. All I just had to do is just do my makeup.
Uh-uh.
No fake eyelashes.
No tanning.
No tanning. It's like close to 10.
Yeah, but they still look white.
And we compared and she's like, how is yours still darker?
Yeah, their face, your neck nila hindi pantay. Baba, stop looking up. I just want you to relax. My hand is sore from buttering. Ang dami naming binatter na bread, naglagay ng ham, chicken, tapos mga veggies. Tapos paulit-ulit lang yan, tapos maghugas. Hot dogs, serving soup. Oh, look. Oh, diba?
It's the top a little bit. Bend it at the top a little.
I will not, I'm not done, hon. I'm not done. Come here. Kakulay niya to.
Liar.
Benta ko to, guys, pero ako ang bumibili. I said I'm selling this one, but I'm the one using or buying this. Well, I didn't buy. I just get it from my live selling. Ang ganda ng kulay nito sa'yo. Ito yung kulay niya.
There's. I don't like looking like a bushy.
Yes, you do. Ayaw niyo yung kilay niya kasi bushy. Okay. Let's do your shadow. Okay, we're gonna do this first. Base lang to. Look. Go to the camera. Come on. Okay. Look. Gold. Kung na lang kung hindi ka pa naging golden dito.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way.
So, ang gamit ko is ito yung sa Sunny Space ba to? Is it Sunny Space? Is it from Sunny Space? Hindi ko na alam. Sunny Space or Happy Skin? Basta yun.
Sunny's face.
Sunny Space. Okay, it's mine. And
Girl crush.
Girl Crush yung kanyang shade. After nito, lipstick and baba, like this. My legs is numb. Let me see. Look. Good? And naglagay din akong highlighter from Sunny's Face. From Sunny's Face, baba pa. Nalagyan ko yung bridge ng ilong niya tsaka yung pointy. Okay, come on. It's alright, baba.
Yeah, it says here.
Alright, Sunny's Face.
I was right.
Parang sinabi ko noon is Happy Skin. Baba, come here closer to me, please.
My nose.
Oh, you want drunk blush? Come on.
Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
And the last one.
Mascara, my fear.
Mascara that you don't really like. Okay.
Doing.
No. Relax. Just like that. Just relax. I'm not gonna poke your eyes. Just relax, please.
I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day.
Well, maybe we can do the TV ant because they have small brush. Ayan, for the TV ant. Pero mag-dip tayo dito. Okay. Come on, come on. Last. This is last.
Oh, that's better.
My neck is so...
Can I do it?
No, no.
Aw.
No, Baba.
Hey, my lipstick.
It's alright, come on. Here, look, here. Yeah. Yeah, do that one. You're too far, Baba. I cannot see. Come on, so we can go. I wanna stretch.
Okay.
Just like that. You're almost there. Here, Baba. Here, Baba. I'm just gonna go the other one.
I got mascara all over my phone.
Okay, how good.
Yay!
Wait, I use
Oh, I
this.
did.
Oh, earrings, your earrings.
Now.
Yeah.
Hey!
Okay. Lagyan ko pala siya ng TV yan.
What's that?
Ito ang bango nito, champagne. On, here. This one too. Kasi backless yung ano niya, diba? Yung isa niyang costume. Tatlong gagawin niyang dance today eh.
I'm done my rehearsal and this is my other costume for slumber party. It's very cute off Shane. And I also got
Yeah, from Shein yung ano nila. Yan, in order sa Shein.
I also got like a headband. I'm gonna show you guys.
And we're in 20
My
minutes.
headband.
In 20 minutes, Holly.
I've got to go inside. In 10 more minutes, I'm gonna go inside actually. I'm just gonna put this in there.
So you're gonna wear the purple first.
Okie. And then the second's our slumber party, and then the third is fabulous.
Yeah, the nice costume.
Fabulous is my favorite
Me
one.
too.
Like not just the costume, the dance.
The
as
dance.
well.
Oh, okay. Me the costume. I love it.
Yeah, I like the This is my second. Mary Poppins is my third because I
Yeah.
wore that last year. We're doing the same dance as last year.
Same dance from
Yeah.
last year.
Mary Poppins. And then I think Mary Poppins, they did it in 2024 as well.
Okay.
So
So they love it. Okay, we're gonna park here.
I don't really love it. I just like doing dances on like stages because it's more fun.
You love performing.
Yeah, performing.
Okay, which?
And
Maybe this one na lang, Baba. Here. Kasi nandyan yung theater. Nandyan sila magpa-perform. Dito na lang tayo
it's
para
just here. I'm
we're
gonna
just
show you
gonna
guys.
cross.
Just that other building. Sorry, I'm gonna get changed. Ay!
Alright.
I'm gonna get changed now.
So mag-change na siya. So first and second half meron siyang ganap. So first half dalawa yung dance, second half isa. And we're gonna be here until maybe 4, 5. Anong oras na? It's 1:18. Okay, change na, Baba.
Changed. My Mary Poppins. Then my slumber party. Then
This
get
one will be-
ready. The Lori Hay and Carly A is back. Look upside. I'm gonna show you it, but not take it out.
No, they know already. They've seen it. Last
I
night.
know.
Okay, let's go, Baba.
Okay, I'm gonna show you my snacks for
Later.
Be enough.
Yeah, it will be enough. Where's your lollies?
Here.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
so here is my. I'm gonna actually show you guys. Nerds, gummy clusters, Tic Tacs, and some peaches.
Are you gonna share it with them?
Yes, Mum.
Good.
Yes.
Do you have water, right? Here. Did you put ice?
I'll
No.
just bring this water.
Okay, just put it. Make it sure it's closed tightly,
And
huh?
then for my other ones, I got Doritos, Cheezels, and some cookies. And that is.
Put your water here,
Yeah,
Baba,
no,
inside.
yeah. And that is it for my food.
Okay, make sure when you open your water, make it sure you close it tightly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Good luck. Oh.
Oh, pillows.
Good luck and enjoy. Okay, love you. Mwah.
I done my second and this is my third one.
So, tapos na yung first and second dance niya. Ito na yung pangatlo. Mayroon silang 20 minutes break para sa second half. Kasi tapos na yung first half. Second half na yung next. But pang number 14 pa siya. Well, yung grupo niya. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa kami dito. You're tired, Baba? Are you excited for this one? Yes. I'm excited. Yes.
Hey, Maya. We just finished Roy's and I'm gonna eat my KFC, but first, hand sanitize my hands.
Where's my shopping? Okay.
I need lots of sprays because I've been touching. Want some? This hand sanitizer smells so good. We got it from Philippines. Right. This, I love this sauce. With it's the dipping sauce.
What sauce?
Creamy aioli.
Aioli.
Yeah, I like it. With
I hope your
The
cover will
chicken.
stay.
my what?
I hope your cover will stay there.
Me too.
Okay. We're going to the farm kasi doon daw magdi-dinner. So, manunod ng puti. Is it good?
So good. Thanks, Mum. And guys, as soon as we came out of KFC, like driving back, coming to Woolies, there was a whole bunch of whole cars of a line waiting to go through the drive-through. Oh yeah, because we ordered a coleslaw instead of the mashed potato with gravy. They forgot it, so we checked before we even went, and then they forgot the coleslaw.
Yeah, they forgot even the. They didn't even put the mashed potato, like, you know. We swapped that one, but they didn't put it. Alright. Your camera, is it holding?
Yeah.
You're so hungry, love.
Yes.
Gabi na what? Oh my god, 5:30 na guys, pero gabi na. It's dark now. It's only 5:30. Oh, didn't make it, my love.
Now can I open my drink, please?
I have no energy. No, I can't. Just have water, Baba.
Why
I tried.
not?
That's my second attempt.
Why did I go seal it?
I don't know.
Is it like glue on it or something?
I'll try again. No, it's so, no, it's hurting my fingers. Oops, you can make it. Oh, why is it?
I'm gonna have some chips, guys.
So what's in there?
Um,
Chips, coleslaw,
Chicken,
and
coleslaw.
chicken popcorn,
Yeah,
and chicken tenders.
yeah. The chips are like so good. Mom, what do you like more, like soggy chips or like crunchy?
Of course, crunchy. Everyone wants crunchy. No one likes soggy chips.
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
I don't like soggy chips. No, I'm good, Papa. I'm hungry, but I don't want. Maybe I will eat the coleslaw later. Alam, parang kung sisipunin, sakit ng ulo ko. Because I don't have enough sleep and been thinking about this. How we gonna push it through, but we did it. We did it. My God, are we human? Am I human? Bye na kami. What's that?
It was a close game.
I cannot hear you, too loud.
It was a
Yeah, kasi di ba si
close game.
close game?
Yeah, they went to kick it.
Who?
Siren went.
The other team or your team?
The other team, because we were up by 2 points, right?
Just 2 points.
Yeah, and then she kicked it,
Yeah.
right? And then the sign just went before he kicked it, so they were all celebrating, like, oh no, we lost. But then they said we won, so we.
Why? Why you won? They didn't kick it.
Yeah, because he kicked it before the sign went.
Oh, it didn't count
Yeah. So luckily we won.
by 2 points.
Yeah.
Like, they're good team, right, Hadley?
Yeah.
Alright, eto nabili ko sa Woolies. Kumuha talaga ako nito, guys. So, can you turn it down for a bit, please? Eto yung Hokkaido miso flavor kasi parang kailangan ko ng soup. Ewan ko, basta parang iba yung ano ba yan? Iba yung aking nararamdaman. Sakit ng katawan ko, to be honest. But, sulit naman kasi ang ganda ng performance ni Holly. And then, next weekend, comp na nila. Okay, so, bumili pala akong corn flour. And, etong Molino, instant polenta, yung corn. Kasi gusto kong gumawa ng, empanada na corn ang gamit. Hindi ko pa nagagawa, guys, yung yung Ilocos empanada, nahinog yung papaya kasi hindi ko siya magawa ng oras kasi nga lagi akong wala dito sa bahay. So, nahinog na lang siya, so kinain ko siya. Actually, pangatlong beses ko na gustong gumawa ng empanada, Ilocos empanada, hindi natutuloy, nahihinog kasi nga, pag gusto ko nang gawin, kasi may oras na ako, nahihinog na yung
We won by 2 points as well.
nahihinog na yung papaya. So, kumuha ko ng, nanalo sila Holly by 2 points din. Stevia, ayan nga, corn flour, then more blackberries, cilantro, and chickpeas. So, yan, magpainit lang ako ng tubig. Then, si Jan, pag uwi niya, hindi ko alam kung sasama. Are you going with Daddy?
Yeah. Are you coming? Come.
Just a quick one, but I feel wanna go to bed.
Just come.
Doon sila magdi-dinner. Alright, guys.
Guys, look at my meter.
We'll have
What
to
time do
play.
I have to play? I mean, not play.
It's still like in the afternoon. We'll see the
But we
schedule
don't
later.
drive to
I
the-
forgot, but I think he will be able to play netball pa.
Look at my meter. The mini ice cream meter. It feels so
Nag-send ng picture yung isang
good. Sit,
mommy.
Bronny.
Michelle. Ayan sila. Ayan yung kanilang sassy girl, and then this is the silly face. Alright, painit naman akong tubig, guys.
Hey, Woods!
Dito na siya.
Alright, so I'm going to get pizza. I'll meet you at the shed.
Where are you gonna get the pizza? I thought you're going at
I'll get that by Pizzeria Arena.
pizzeria.
Pizzeria Arena.
Did you order already?
No, BJ's waiting at the shed for me.
Or are you just gonna order? Oh, maybe
Just
I
go
will.
and get it, and then I'll meet you there. What do you want?
Pumpkin, please.
What do you want? Boogies?
Ah,
Chicken ding ding. Oh, you had to feed. Good, you're free.
oh,
Zach?
I thought you're going to get the pizza from the
No,
mom.
me either.
That's not too bad, Jack. V kicks this. Like
Babe.
you just did. You're still in it, Zach.
Hindi ko gusto yung pizza dun sa
I'll say
ano.
the thing.
Huh?
I'll say the shed.
Honey, I thought you're getting the pizza from the mom. You didn't tell me that. So yeah, get me pumpkin pizza, please.
Dad, what if you did get
How'd you go, Woods?
Very
Yeah,
good,
good.
honey. Yes.
My baby.
A lot of moms said Holly's really good
Oh
on
my
the stage.
God. That's my baby.
Even Sharon, hon. Sharon. Yeah. Oh, she's really good on the
I like
stage.
it.
Louis?
Right, put some clothes on. Hey, where's that bag I give you?
What
There was a bag there with a heap of trackies in it.
Ah, it's in there.
Put some of them on, bud. See if they fit you, Joker. Quick cars go. Hurry up. They're all
Sarap yung
trackies that
ano,
Maddie
yung
got. Let's get the
veggies. Not veggies. Ano lang siya, pumpkin na may arugula. Yun lang gusto ko.
Yeah,
doon.
try
Yeah, that's good.
colours.
Pumpkin,
So you
yeah.
can throw them on, you go, yeah,
Pumpkin
it's
pizza.
keep warm.
So you don't want maybe it's honey chicken,
they fit.
but chicken half only half a
No,
dozen.
get the full one. I'm not sitting on the phone. Explain it. What do you want?
Chicken, yeah, chicken, half chicken, and then
Stop it!
pumpkin and half a dozen of chicken wings.
Wait, Dad, why not two at the same time?
Just get a full pizza, please, so I can just say I want this pizza and chicken wings. No, so I want half that, half this.
Yeah, half a dozen. Just half, not the
You want a
full.
pumpkin pizza and half
Dad,
Half,
wings?
yes,
Dad,
please.
why do I have two of the same?
Oh, it doesn't matter, they're free, but
Eight.
Tikman ko na siya, guys, kasi gusto ko talagang maghigop ng sabaw. Sak, it's too loud. Oh, ang bango. Sila pa ako isa siya. Tapos nang kumain si John. Ito ko sinunod pa ng, ng puti. How is it, Zach? Good. Hi, BJ. Good? Yeah. Ito yung chicken, half a dozen. Ito yung buffalo. Ay, sorry, Zach. And, ayan yung pumpkin.
there's your bloody pumpkin thing, babe.
Yeah, it's good. What's this one? You finished this, huh?
Sorry.
You finished yours?
Yeah, yeah, we're all finished.
Oh, you're all finished. What did you have, Han?
Huh?
What did you have? You sure?
No.
Tinatanong si Huli kung
Do
gusto
you want me
na
now later? Yeah.
Oh, I'm sore body talaga. Sakit talaga ng katawan ko. Parang ako yung nagsayaw. Ayan siya, guys. So, meron siyang pumpkin, arugula, then crumbled na goat cheese ata yan. Tapos, eto is balsamic. Si Jan, siya nag-introduce dito sa akin kasi sabi ng mga kasama yung masarap. Pero nung na-try niya, ayaw niya, kaya inuwi niya. Tapos ako, nagustuhan ko siya. So simula nun, ito yung in-order ko pag sa pizzeria kayo nag-order ng pizza. Hindi ko na nadala yung noodles kasi naubos ko.
Oh, I got a bit of rain come back.
It didn't rain?
Huh?
Didn't rain here
No.
during the game?
I think the SAPSARS is on this week back, is it? In
Oh.
Adelaide this Monday.
What?
Did you make it?
Oo. Tapos na si Saksa this next week na. Pero Yeah, next week. Kasi yung sapsasa, hanggang 12 years old lang eh. 30 na siya. Pero mahirap makapasok din doon. At si Sak, 2 year siya nakapasok. So, 2 year na yun. Yun talaga yung ano. Minsan yung iba 1 year lang. Si Sak 2. Ha?
Bugs here everywhere. Did you have a slap? Nah, it's alright.
Oh my God, that's all.
Shit that one up, didn't I?
Si Jan, kumakain ng chocolate.
Close it up while you eat that. Hello.
Chicken.
It's raining.
Bukas ko na yung kainin. Nanonood din ng footy dito. Ako, uwi ako ng maaga. Natutulog na ako. Uwi na pala kami guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kasi may mga binili si Jan dito. Ito yung nakikita nyong wires. Para yan sa bait. Gagawa ng bait basket yung deckhand ni Jan. And bumili na rin si Jan na pump master. So ilalagay yan dun malapit sa sa tank sa labas. Okay. Oh, nagmamadali na sila. Alright guys, good night.